Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you the Shadow Black 2020 Ford Ranger. It is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. It comes packaged in the XLT trim with a 301A equipment group. It comes in the Sport package, which is powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It comes with a full sprayed bed liner, cloth interior, huge display screen, it has Bluetooth pre-collision assist, it has reverse camera with reverse sensors, it has lane departure and blind spot info with a leather shift knob. And you have lots of room in the back so you can have passengers sit there, and they can be folded up for even more storage. Thank you very much for watching my video. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more. Have a good day.